light, a phenomenon since the beginning of time. A scientist named Isaac Newton once believed that light was made of particles, but now is known as wavelengths. Imagine a world without color, a beach without blue water, sand without that crisp, tan, crispy color, and imagine a night without a moon, a sun without light.
Light spectrum, you've probably heard of Roy G. Biv, an acronym used to explain the visible lights. What you probably didn't know is that there are shorter wavelengths that humans can't see, like bluer than blue, often called ultraviolet. Ultraviolet light ranges from 10 to 400 nanometers. It comes from the sun, produces rays that can cause tanning and sunburn at the beach, but overexposure to this can lead to radiation poisoning and be damaging to the skin. Now, don't worry, your journey's not over yet. We'll head over to my other friend.
Yeah! Woohoo! As we said before, the visible light spectrum is classified as Roy G. Biv. Roy, at the beginning, the R stands for red, and at the end, V stands for violet. Red is the longest wavelength, and it goes down through the order the whole way to violet, which is the smallest wavelength. And to figure out the velocity of these wavelengths, you can use the equation V equals lambda F. Lambda being the wavelength and F being the frequency of the color. Now, I'm gonna woohoo!
William Herschel first discovered infrared light in 1800s. This infrared light is given off from the sun and travels through space to the Earth, where it heats the planet, giving us our temperature and climate that we have today. This infrared light is thermal energy. Without this thermal energy, the Earth would have no heat. Could you imagine a world without any heat at all? We'd all freeze to death. As you can see, all the light spectrums help bring together the light that we interact with on a daily basis.
Thank you everybody for taking a journey around the galaxy with me and my friends to learn about light. Now you've seen a world without light and a world without heat. It's not much of a world, my friend. Thank you for joining us. Please come with us next time.